we will do the community together. And many cases, ordinarily, we don't suppose to know work and work. We supposed to know all manners. Because since I've been on this case, spoke of the first election, we say take you back as a party man. But we want to accept the decision of Almighty God. And I'm not particularly very happy. Very happy to receive people here. There's something that is happening which I thought I should mention. You know, all politics is local. All forms of politics are local. Why make you want to get out of one book? Also easy. The River State, particularly, we had the two leading parties together as one. Also easy. May God bless whoever engineered it. That will explain all people. One pasha anyagara, one now I know them or okay. Those who are old enough to know, cast their mind back. What I thought was one of the most brilliant political ideas in Nigeria, the politics of Babangida. A little to the left, a little to the right. Don't be surprised if we end up there in Nigeria, because in every situation, the majority must rule, but the minority will need their protection. Do you remember Babangida? Nobody cared about the third party. SDP, NRC to the right, SDP to the left. It was a very brilliant idea. Ordinary Nigeria couldn't be. Not stabilized by now, we would have had a pathway in our political growth. Exactly. For me, I was a party to it. I was positively, negatively affected. So what you have done, putting APC and PDP together, is not far from it. Because every other thing in River State now becomes remnant. You have to accept the facts, that's the truth. Every other thing, all the remnants. You know, APC, you know, PDP, Chambi and Hajikwari Goma. The candidate actually, she and to buy her. And then let's already abandon you people like they want to do the work. It's not me. I'm far from doing all over again. But I'm happy to see continuity. I'm happy to see cohesiveness. I'm happy to see friends coming back together. The original local government area coming back together. That formation now is unbeatable. Therefore, our local government. So, like I said, we welcome every party that wants to come and see us. We welcome you. Come and tell us your program. Come and tell us your plan. And we will welcome you. You are the first people that have come. We thank you. And I hope more people will come. We hear that have over 50 party contest election. I hope they will come and come properly. You know, so you will get our blessing. You will definitely get the blessing of this kingdom to ensure that that which has been agreed will be fully implemented. Because if you tell me you're a traditional ruler, you're not supposed to be involved in politics, I agree. But if I see my people running into a party that will destroy this kingdom, I will tell my friend, stop. Because they are nothing if they go and get drowned. But tomorrow morning they will put me as a traditional ruler should play politics. If that's what your interpretation, let it be like that. I will not allow my people, and I want to be put on record. I will not allow my people to go outside the circle of what will bring progress to my community. I will not allow it. Anything, I'm not covering River State. My kingdom is Emohua. And Emohua here is inclusive of all the wards in Emohua local government. Nobody should tell me, you're traditional, I don't know the meaning what. What does that mean? That doesn't mean anything. What it means is what the progress of your people. Therefore, we will bless you. I know the Almighty has already taken control. I know that God of this community, the God of this community, Chineke mo. I na mo Chineke ka ya ke Dubai na mo udo. Chineke mo. Really ndi ches na ele mo. Mbo ha ngwanya. Na ile badon be le zibodo ngwanya senyina na aka ntanu me ya no me. Remember my policy. Win first. If you don't participate, you didn't win, you are not a contestant. Therefore, you cannot legitimately argue that you were deprived of your right. Win first. It's my policy. Win first. We can go to court, but win first. If you don't win, you've lost. Crying doesn't help anything. No God will come and change what man have done without permission from man. That's how powerful God is. God created the earth and gave us dominion. What we decide here is what happens. Nobody can change it. That is God for you. And that's what I stand for. Sir.